parents.
I'm wonderful. I'm good.
Are you good? Yes.
I'm
Yes.
great.
Are you great? Yes. Or nose, nose, nose. Us. Lay down and touch your chest, and when you come up, the Lord, I love you. I love you. Say to the Lord, I love you. Obey the Lord, galing. Obey, obey, obey the Lord. Yeah. Keep me burning. Oh, yes, mommy. Oh, ay, galing, oh. Oh, pray now, pray, pray. Hosanna, sing, Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing, Hosanna, sing. Ezekiel. Sing, Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing, Hosanna, sing. My favorite color is red. I love red. I like red. My favorite color is red. Ezekiel. Oh, three. Five. Yay! Five. 3. Yes, yes. Oh, yes. Alia, come here. Oh, what's it, Priya? 2, 3, 4, 5. Priya, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 7. Yay! High five. Yes. Oh, I. Yes. High five. Yes. Okay, I will give a star to Alia. Go. Yes. High five. Okay. Star. Yay. 1, 2. Ito, bebe. 1, 2, 2. Ito. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9, 10. 10. Yay! High five! Oh, bigyan ko star si Ezekiel, no?
Oh, star.
Star. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let's go, baby. 1. This one. 1, 2. How many donuts? 2. Where is number 2? Where is number 2 here? Ezekiel muna, ha? O, dyan Ezekiel muna. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is number 4 there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's number 4? Yes! Oh, put it in here. Dito. Yes! High five, dyan Ezekiel. Yay! 1, 2, 3. Okay, where's number 5? Where's number 5? Number 5 here. Dito, sa number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asa na 5? Yes! Go! Put it in here. Oh, dito. Yes! High five. Yay! Count the donuts. 1, 2. Dito to, baby. 1, 3, 4, 4. Dito, baby. 4, 5. How many donuts? Oh, how many donuts? 5. Where's number 5 here? Where's number 5? Yeah! Yes! Oh, put it in here. Get that. Put it in here. Yay! High five. Yes! 1, many donuts? 3. Where's number 3? Where's number 3? 1, 2. Yes! Okay. Oh, put it in here. Oh, lagay dito. Dali, go, 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 go. Yes! High five! High five! Yes! Okay, Sabrina, Sabrina! Oh, Sabrina, Sabrina, Sabrina! What number is this? What number is this? Oh, baby! What number is this? 1! Yay! What number is this? 1. Yes, again? 1. Okay, high five. Okay. 1. Yes, high five. What number is this? 1. Okay. Right number 1. Oh, again, right number 1. Again, what? 1. What number is that? Yes, high five. Okay. 1. 1. What number is that? 1. High five. Great job. Right number 1. 1. 1. Yes, high five. Okay. 2. Get the 2. 1 and 2. Yeah. What number is this? What number? What number? 2. Yes, high five. Great job. 2. 2. Dito. Again. Let's play number 2. 1, 2. Again. 1 and horizontal. 2. Yes. What number? Yes. Number 2. Yes. What number is that? Number? Yes. 2. High five. Okay. Wow. What number is that? 2. Yes. High five. Yes.
For the bear song. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, sabi ko. Naiyak siya. Oh, yes. Oh, Anaya, ikaw na lang mula dito. Come here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk muna, ha? Walk muna. Oh, ano muna? Slow. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And a little 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 1, 1, 2, 3. Slowly muna. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Face. At the back. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7, 7. Walk muli, walk. 7, 8, 9. 7, 7, 7, 8, 9. 7, 7, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And walk again, walk again. 4, 4, 4, 5, 6. 4, 4, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. Asking her phone. Can you give me? Sabi ng little girl, can you give me your bread? And the little boy said, no, I don't want to share my bread to you. Oh, is that good? Huh? No, it's not good. You have to share, na? No? And then, when he is eating, because he share his bread, he go to the forest. Pumunta siya sa forest. Opo. He went to the forest and then he is eating. He is eating inside the forest. Eat, bread, eat. Opo. And then, opo. When he is Mommy, I don't know where's the way out. Paano ako makakalabas? I don't know where's the way out. He can't. Oh, hindi siya makalabas ng forest. Tapos nagpa-cry-cry siya. Oh, Oh, nag-cry yung little boy. Yes, he was crying, the little boy, kasi he doesn't know words. Jesus, sorry, kasi, opo. It's okay, I will continue the story tomorrow.